Smart Junior. It's ideal. It comes in a box like this, and it is very ideal for our small kitchens and small consumptions. It is, the seal is in red color. The color is red. Here you see purple, but actually it is red color, like this one. And let's see what we can do with it. It's a rice mart where you have this locking system. You take out, and 70 grams of rice can come into it. Ideal for brown rice. So let's see how it will fit into this. Yeah. And we're pouring the 5 kgs of rice. Is it fitting? Do you think చూసినప్పుడు అనిపించలేదు కదా that it would fit? But perfect 5 kgs is put into it, and then you seal it up, airtight, completely airtight seal with a tab, so you can open it. And now let's see how the rice comes. Ideal, if you see, compact. It is. I can measure it and come maybe around 12 inches. It could be. And height is a little less than 12 inches. So that is the thing about this Rice Mart Junior. Take it, the latest, this cup. In the cup, which is your regular electric cooker cup, rendu saal lagute, once, and then there, twice. Perfect, isn't it? So that's how it works, and so enjoy using it. Very compact, and the big feature of this is first in, first out. Meer first esina pappu gaani biyam gaani, it comes out first. So generally em chestamu మనం వేరే డబ్బాల్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు అయిపోతూ ఉంటే కొంచెం మిగలగానే మళ్ళీ పైనుంచి పోస్తాం. సో కిందనే ఉండిపోతుంది. కానీ ఇక్కడ పైనుంచి పోసింది కింద నుంచి వస్తుంది కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ ఇన్ ఫస్ట్ అవుట్. FIFO it is called. So enjoy the benefits and get this for your kitchen. Airtight, completely airtight seal. Easy mechanism, self-locking. So ideal for kandipappu, brown rice, everyday rice also. If you want 150 grams, you just pull it twice, rendu saarlu. You get one cooker cup anta rice vastadi. That is, cooker cup is 150 grams, so this is 75 grams. So rendu saarlu lageste you get the cooker cup quantity. Let's see what we have this time. Earlier I showed you the rice, and now we have the, let's see what I have in this. Ta-da! Tuar dal. 5 kgs of kandipappu or tuar dal, and let's see whether I can take out, does it fall as well as, wow, fantastic. And then again let me push it back and take it up. Wonderful. So we can use this for tuar dal, all our lentils, all the moong dal, tuar dal, and a completely airtight seal also in a red color. All this is in red color. So, so wonderful. I'm very happy that we can use it for millets. Now people are substituting rice with millet, having foxtail millets and the superfood. So wonderful. I mean, you can have multiple of these Rice Mart Junior.